Meaning of epilepsy.
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 Epilepsy. Epilepsy is a neurological disorder that is characterized by recurrent seizures. A seizure is a sudden, uncontrolled electrical disturbance in the brain that can cause changes in behavior, emotions, and movement. The symptoms of a seizure can vary depending on the part of the brain involved and can range from a brief loss of awareness or muscle control to convulsions and unconsciousness. Epilepsy can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, brain injury, infection, and developmental disorders. Treatment may include medication, surgery, or other therapies to manage or reduce seizures.